The speed of sound is approximately 767.269 miles per hour. What is the speed of sound in meters per second? So we are given 767.269 miles per hour. First, let's convert miles to meters. So 1 mile is equivalent to 1609.34 meters. So miles would cancel. We're left with meters on top. Next is to convert hours to seconds. 1 hour is equivalent to 3,600 seconds. So hour would cancel. We have seconds at the bottom. So our final unit would be meters per second. And if you compute this whole equation, this is equal to 342.999. So we have 6 significant figures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because our given also has 6 significant figures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer to this question is 342.999 meters per second.